Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's important for both grown-ups and little ones, money. Now you might be thinking, isn't money a grown-up thing? Well, not exactly. Teaching kids about money early on can set them up for financial success later in life. So let's chat about how to make money a fun and educational experience for your little ones. Earning money. It's not just about allowance. Sure, allowances are great, but there's a whole world of earning opportunities beyond that. Here are some ideas to get your kids thinking about how effort translates into rewards. 1. Chores for cash. Turn some age-appropriate chores into mini-jobs. Folding laundry, watering plants, or helping with dishes can earn them a few coins. 2. The garage sale. Hustle. Clean out their old toys and clothes. Let them price their items and help them sell them at a garage sale. It's a great lesson in responsibility and keeping track of their earnings. 3. Creative corner. Do your kids love crafting or painting? Encourage them to sell their creations at a local market or online. With your help, of course. These are just a few ideas. The key is to find something that fits your child's age and interests. Saving versus spending, making smart choices. Once your child starts earning, it's time to talk about saving and spending. Here's how to make it fun. 1. The jar system. Decorate 3 jars and label them spend, save, and give. Every time your child earns money, they can decide how much goes into each jar. 2. Goal setting. Help your child pick a savings goal, like a new bike or a trip to the zoo. Track their progress with a fun chart. Seeing their savings grow will motivate them. 3. The weight experiment. When your child sees a tempting toy, encourage them to wait a day or two before buying it. This teaches them impulse control and helps them decide if it's something they truly need or just a fleeting want. Remember, the goal is to empower your child to make smart financial decisions, not to take away their fun. So teaching your kids about money can be an enriching experience. By showing them how to earn, save, and spend wisely, you're giving them the tools they need to be financially responsible adults. Thanks for joining us. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and educational content. Let us know in the comments below what money-saving tips work best for your family.